Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this year's pick'ems, this Masters pick'ems in Valorant. So it's open now, so go to Picks Open. You'll get a gun buddy later on, but anyways, you're going to go to the pick'ems section. It says make picks. So I need to pick 4 teams that will be advancing to the next stage. I'm obviously going to pick Paper X. And then I think I want to pick I'm picking Gentlemates because Mini is insane. And then I'll pick Team Liquid. I think I'm gonna pick Team Liquid. And then for the last one, I'll do NRG. Why not? Then that's it. You are able to change it, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can do pick'ems. You can then view brackets here, and you can also view their brackets here as well, but that's how you can make pick'ems this year. Predict the advancing teams. Okay, so the undefeated would be the first one you chose here, as you can see, but I'll still just pick Paper X because they're my favorite team. But yeah, that is it. Pretty much, you need to make picks before the matches, so you'll have 5 more days. And if you get it correctly, you can get some gun buddies. This one's so cute. You can also get this title. This is just if you participate, but this is if you get it 100% correctly. You can, I think you can see. No, you cannot see other people's picks. Okay, I think you can see it later, maybe. I don't know. And that is how you can make picks for the Masters Santiago pick'ems. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!